everybody. I like everybody. I want to give everybody a chance. It's a new year. Let's go ahead and get chances for everybody. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey, how you doing? I am here. How you feeling? How y'all feeling today? I'm feeling good. Yes, we have another wig review for you. I have another synthetic unit, and I'm about to tell you all about this unit. If you're ready, go ahead and stay tuned, and I will talk to y'all pretty people later.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you know, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named, you know his name? Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine. You need to get it up.
Guys, so I'm back with this my final thoughts on this unit. Again, I am reviewing this Outre GILLIAN, and I have the color in DRFF Golden Amber. This is an Outre lace front unit. This is pretty much a very beginner friendly unit. It's put on your head and go, guys. So she comes out the pack looking like this, and you just put her on your head and you basically go. So let's go ahead and talk about this unit, y'all. So I'm trying my best to get excited about this unit, but I really can't. I think this might be like the first unit that I'm not too excited about. So I really wanted to like her. I'm disappointed. I really wanted to like her. I mean, she looks good, but I'm not too sure how I really feel about her. Okay, so I first already had this unit, Jillian, and I was thinking about selling her, but then I saw my girl Phoebe Rome review her, and she had red velvet, and I was like, okay, Phoebe, I see you, Phoebe, over there. So I just went ahead and bust her out and threw on this review for y'all, and I was like, let me give y'all a different color of this golden amber, and I'm not too sure if it's the color or what, but I'm just not really feeling her like that. Like I said, it's very basic. It just comes with that lace part in the middle. It's a 5-inch lace parting right here. It says it's pre-plucked. It's a synthetic unit. It comes with these nice curls. It has your basic cap construction, your 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. This cap feels a little tight. I don't know if it's my wig grip or what, but my head is kind of starting to hurt, and I don't like my head hurting too much, y'all. But she is coming down. You know, she's not too bad. She's coming down, but I just don't know. I don't really know how I feel about her. There's filler hairs right here in the front to kind of create this bang, and this bang is actually really pretty, but I feel really wiggy in this unit. I feel like I have a wig on. I tried my best to try to make it work and do all of that. When I first took her out the pack, the curls were very defined, so I went in with my brush and I brushed her out, and you saw that actually made it look a little bit better. Like it's flowing better compared to like not having the curls brushed out. It looks wiggy. So I brushed her out, and she was flowing a little bit, but then I was starting to get some flyaways a little bit, and it wasn't brushing right. So I went in with some wig spray. Then I was going to cut the lace on camera for you guys, but you guys seen me cut lace before. It's very basic. I cut it pretty much across, and I went in the mirror and I started playing with her, and it's just, I'm just like, yo, it's kind of super shiny to me. I even went in with some dry shampoo to try to tone down a little bit. But to me, it's still kind of coming off glossy. Like, y'all let me know. Maybe it's just the color that I have that I'm just not feeling. I'm not too sure what it is. But also, too, it's tangling a lot, y'all. It's like, I mean, I know synthetic units tangle, but it's tangling and shedding a lot. Like, I got a lot of shedding out of that brush. The tangling is just like, I don't know. It's just not flowing right for me. I'm not too happy with her. The color looks good. Actually, the color doesn't look good. I'm not happy, y'all. It might look better on you, but for me, I think my skin tone and this color is not working. But this color does have good dimensions in it. Like, again, it's a golden amber, so it has like that gold and then some streaks of blonde and amber in here. It does have a nice dark root right here as well, but it's just not, it's not sitting right on me. I don't know. I'm not really feeling her. I think this is a fail for me. I really wanted to like Jillian. I like everybody. I want to give everybody a chance. It's a new year. Let's go ahead and get chances for everybody. But Jillian is just not sitting right for me, y'all. She's very basic, and I think that's what it is. It's a very basic put on your head and go unit. Maybe the 1B and the natural colors will sit a little bit better and look a little bit better. But for me, this color right here is just not working. It's not working at all. I think I just need to go ahead and end this review because Outre, I love y'all. I just want to be very clear. I love you guys, Outre. Y'all make some bomb units. But for me, this one is just, it's really wiggy to me. You know, it's good for a basic, like, put on your head and go, and you know, for people that maybe like this look. But it's just, it's too tangly, it's shedding, the color of the sheen, I just feel like it's kind of plasticky. It just feels really cheaply made, and that's just my opinion. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about her. I'm so sorry, y'all, that I'm coming to y'all with this negativity. We starting off the new year with negative, but I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just honestly trying to give y'all my honest opinion. This kind of reminds me of that Dashley number, I think it was number 7. I reviewed her, or I filmed her. I'm not even sure if I posted her, but it just, some units are like that. That's just how synthetic units are. Some units, you get what you pay for, and you get good quality hair, but some units you get these fibers where it just kind of feels like really plasticky, like doll hair plasticky, and that's just kind of what I'm feeling like with this. And I don't know, that's just me. I'm not too fond with the hairs all over me and the tangling, and it's just not working for me. So anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm sorry. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. I hope you appreciate the honesty, but I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.